I'm Jeff Bernstein, Account Executive at IFS Ultimo, and we are a 2024 Solutions Award winner. Our enterprise asset management solution, IFS Ultimo, is a robust, complete, configurable asset management solution that has everything from predictive maintenance, inventory management, full Power BI reporting, an operations suite, and really it's a work order management system that helps customers create more uptime and less downtime. So our solution is a best-of-breed enterprise asset management system that really differentiates from other systems due to our health and safety module, which really does some lockout, tagout, incident reporting, and customers can really engage point solutions and bring that all into one full enterprise asset management system that really helps customers be successful. Depending on where the customer wants to be in 1, 2, or 5 years, we can help them get to that certain point in their future. You know, if they want to have IoT, if they want to have AI, we can help you get there. If you want to do condition monitoring, if you want to do any predictive maintenance, we can help you get there by our solution.